Hey guys, welcome to another video on personal finance tips and strategies. In this video, we're going to be sharing some information with you on how becoming a medical courier can earn you $1,500 a week plus more. This is a side hustle people are swearing by. Before I jump into this, I'm going to ask you a big favor. If any advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisement. Please allow them to play through, because this is how I get compensated for putting together this valuable information and sharing it with you. And I will be sharing with you how to become a medical courier, how to get started, where to get started. This will be a step-by-step guide. You will have everything that you need to get started as a medical courier and be pulling in that type of money. Believe it or not, this side hustle is helping people bring in up to $1,500 a week. I have just put a lowball figure here because I've seen where medical couriers, they're making twice that amount or even more. And it's proving to be a smart step for drivers looking to move from food deliveries to something with higher earnings, greater purpose, and consistent demand. Now let's break down exactly what this career path looks like, how you can get started, and what makes it so attractive. Now, what is a medical courier? A medical courier is a professional driver who transports critical healthcare related items between facilities. This can include lab specimens and blood samples, pharmaceuticals and prescription medications, medical equipment and supplies, confidential medical records and documents. Deliveries are typically made to hospitals, clinics, research labs, testing centers, and pharmacies. Unlike food or ride-share deliveries, this type of work involves transporting items that are oftentimes sensitive and sometimes life-saving. Because of that, reliability, punctuality, and care are absolutely essential. When someone's health or life is on the line, the stakes are much higher than the late lunch delivery. That's why medical couriers are considered a crucial part of the healthcare supply chain and are paid accordingly. Why people love this side hustle? After researching this space extensively, I discovered a few key reasons why people swear by medical courier work. Higher pay. Many medical courier gigs pay more than standard delivery apps, especially when working full-time or handling larger, more frequent deliveries. It offers flexibility. Most roles are independent contractor-based, allowing you to maintain control over your schedule similar to other gig platforms. Real demand. The need for medical couriers is growing steadily thanks to rising healthcare needs, expanded lab testing, and ongoing pharmaceutical distribution. Purpose-driven work. Unlike traditional deliveries, medical couriering contributes to public health and patient care. You're truly making an impact. What you'll need to get started. Before you begin, it's important to understand that medical couriering requires a bit more preparation than your typical gig app. However, the upfront investment is minimal and the payoff can be substantial. Now, let's look at basic qualifications. To qualify for most medical career positions, you'll typically need to be 21 years or older. Some companies require being 25 years plus. You're required to have a valid driver's license, a clean driving record, your own insured vehicle, usually 10 years old or newer. Cars, minivans, or in-box trucks are often accepted. You'll need a smartphone and basic tech skills. The ability to lift 50 to 100 pounds depending on the assignment. Now, let's look at required certifications. There are a few key certifications that demonstrate your preparedness and professionalism in this field. 1. Bloodborne pathogen training. Required by OSHA, this training teaches you how to safely handle biological materials like blood or tissue samples. HIPAA compliance training. Because you may be handling or exposed to patient information, this training ensures you understand the rules for maintaining privacy and avoiding hefty fines. This is very important, guys. These certifications are affordable, typically around $25 each, and many companies will reimburse you or help you get certified once you're hired. 2 career paths. Let's look at 2 career paths when you're certified. You can work for a career company or you could go independent. These are the 2 career paths. When you have gotten certified, you can either choose to work for a career company or go independent. Let's break that down and see which is beneficial to you. There are 2 primary ways to get started. The first one, contract with an existing medical career company, which is ideal for beginners because this route allows you to hit the ground running without having to find clients yourself. It can be a bit difficult to build your clientele base as a new career driver, so it's in your own interest to contract with an existing medical career company so you can start making money right away. Or 2, you can start your own operation. You can build a small career business by securing contracts directly with hospitals, labs, and pharmacies. This takes more time and networking, but it has greater long-term potential. Yeah. For this guide, we'll just focus on contracting with established career companies. Make it a lot easier. Top 5 medical career companies to work with. Now that you've gotten your certifications and you're ready to start working, let's look at the top 5 medical career companies to work with. To help you get started, here are 5 reputable companies actively hiring medical careers. Each offers different benefits, so it's wise to apply to several to increase your chances of getting consistent work. Remember now, guys, consistency is the key. You want to stay busy in order to make that money. First on the list is Red Fox Delivery. Red Fox is a company that specializes in medical logistics. One major perk, they assist with certifications, which can save you time, money upfront. Their application is straightforward, and they are often looking for drivers who can commit to regular delivery routes. So this is an ace here in the hole because this company will keep you busy. Red Fox. Number 2, American Expediting. This nationwide company handles a mix of medical and critical logistics work. Whether you're delivering medicine, lab samples, or vital mechanical parts, they offer weekly payments, fuel discounts, and earnings that can range from $1,200 to $2,000 per week. Wow, depending on your vehicle size. So for this company, what's the name? American Expediting, the bigger the vehicle, the more money you're gonna be making. So if you can afford to secure a box truck or one of those caravan vehicle, go for it. Number 3 on the list, Life Couriers on-time logistics. Life Couriers operates globally and includes a network of regional partners. One such partner, On Time, regularly posts job openings with pay ranges up to $60,000 to $80,000 annually. And again, this is just lowballing it. Their focus on healthcare logistics means most of your work will directly support patient care. Number 4, Lab Logistics. This company provides delivery services specifically to labs, pharmacies, and healthcare providers. Available in all 50 states, Lab Logistics allow you to fill out a driver profile that they use to match you with local routes as they become available. Number 5, SDS RX. SDS RX is another strong option for drivers with clean records and reliable vehicles. They focus on lab, pharmacy, and long-term care deliveries. SDS RX allows you to be your own boss, offers weekly pay, and even provides opportunities for larger vehicles owners like those with vans or box trucks. So this is where the money is at, guys. You can really pull in some strong income with SDS RX because you're going to be hauling more payload. Out-of-pocket costs and tax considerations. Let's look at that because this is something that you need to focus on, and you need to take this in consideration. As with many vehicle-based gigs, you'll need to factor in some costs, such as fuel, vehicle maintenance and wear and tear, car insurance, PPE, gloves, mask, insulated bags. Now, PPE stands for personal protective equipment such as gloves, mask, and insulated bags. Commonly refers to as PPE. It's equipment worn to minimize exposures to hazards that causes serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. However, the good news is that many of these expenses may be tax deductible. So all of these that I've went over, such as fuel, vehicle maintenance, cost for your tires, wear and tear on your vehicle, car insurance, gasoline, gloves, masks, insulated bags, all of these can be tax deductible. So be sure to keep detailed records of your mileage, expenses, and purchases. Consult with a tax professional to determine what you can legally deduct based on your region and your income. Now, the big question, how much can you really make as a medical courier? It's not uncommon for medical couriers to earn between $1,200 and $1,500 a week, especially those working full-time with multiple contracts. And again, guys, as I've said before, I've seen medical couriers doubling that amount. Drivers with larger vehicles can even exceed that amount by taking on high volume or long distance deliveries. For part-timers or those supplementing other gig work, the income still adds up quickly and can provide a solid buffer against financial uncertainty. The key, volume and diversity. Sign up with several companies to ensure you're consistently receiving assignments. The more opportunities you have, the more consistent your income will be. Final thoughts? Why should you consider becoming a medical courier? If you're already driving for Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart, this is a natural upgrade. You're already driving anyway. You're already equipped with a vehicle and the ability to manage your time. Now you can leverage those tools in a way that offers more income, more purpose, and less burnout. Medical career work isn't just another side hustle. It's a professional, mission-driven opportunity with real growth potential. So if you're ready to earn more and work with meaning, now is the time to get started. Sign up with one or more of the companies listed above. As a matter of fact, sign up with all of them because there are 5 great companies to work with. Complete your certifications and begin building a flexible, dependable income stream. This isn't just a gig, it's a growing career path. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I have given you everything that you need to get started, and I've shown you where to get started. This is not just some information I put together right off the top of my head. A lot of research have been gone into this, and this is what other people are doing. This is where other medical careers are working and making that type of money. So go for it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel as we're going to be bringing you more valuable information like this. So subscribe to the channel so you won't be missing none of our videos. Please remember to click on the thumbs up button to give us a like and share the video with somebody who you think it might help. And if you are a medical courier watching this video and you have something of value that you would like to add to this video so that the viewers could benefit from it, please do so. Leave a comment in the comment section below so that it can help somebody. Be on the lookout for our next video, but until then, please be safe, and as always, may God bless your efforts.